Write an equation for the arithmetic sequence 7, 14, 21, 28, dot, dot, dot. Okay. So, to solve for the equation of this arithmetic sequence, so, identify muna natin yung given natin. Our a sub 1, first term is 7, then the common difference is 7. Paano nakuha yung 7? That's simply minus 14 minus 7 equals to 7. Or 21 minus 14, that is equals to 7. So, our n is the unknown. No, hinahanap natin yan. So, using the n formula, the sequence, we have a sub 1, that is 7, then plus n, or n is unknown, minus 1. The d is 7. Okay. So we have to simplify this one. So using distributive property, we have 7 times n, that is 7n. Then 7 times negative 1, that is negative 7. Okay? So we have a sub n equals, this one, we are going to combine this. We can eliminate this one. Positive 7 and negative 7, that will become 0. So, ang naiwan dito is positive 7n. No? Positive 7n. So, this is our equation. A sub n equals 7n. So, thank you.